To set custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A57, I'm gonna show you two ways. The first one, if you already got your sound on your phone, you already downloaded it, you have to go into My Files, locate your sound. So for me, it will be available in the settings of the audio. Now select to move this file, go to the internal storage, and you have to go for notifications and put it here. Now you have to go into the settings, then go to the sounds and vibration, select notification sound. As you can see, you can change it for each of your SIM card. And when you scroll here, you can already find your custom, your custom sound. So you can just simply select this and also change its volume. This is the first option, but if you don't have that sound, but you want to something, then you can easily get this by opening Google Play Store and download Zedge application. You have to get this one, you will have to just open it simply. If you are opening this for the first time, you will have to accept a lot of permissions, and then go for ringtones, go for a notification sound, and now just simply find that sound that you are looking for by using search. For example, we got GTA notification bell. Okay, let's get it, why not? Click on the download button and now click to set notification. Now click on this one to allow changing permissions. And now the sound was updated, so let's check if it works. It's set for a second for a first SIM card. Yeah, as you can see, it is working. So two ways.